Millions of students looking to take out federally subsidized student loans for the next year will see their interest rates double after Congress failed to make a deal before the July 1st deadline. Current interest rates are set at 3.4%, but for 7 million students expected to apply for the federal Stafford loans this year, rates will automatically double to 6.8%. The deadline was set 1 year ago when Congress was faced with a similar task, but this year's student loan talks took a back seat without an upcoming presidential election.
So if you look at the data, especially for kids under 30, and I say kids under 30, 2 out of 5 end up in delinquency in the first 5 years. That's huge. That's 40% of folks who owe the money.
Not unexpectedly, both political parties are laying blame on the other for the rate hike. Back in May, House Republicans passed a measure that would tie interest rates to market-based rates. But that received criticism from Democrats for its high limit of 8.5%. Republican Representative John Klein said we're in this predicament because politicians put themselves in charge of setting interest rates, guaranteeing exactly this type of down-to-the-wire uncertainty for students and their families. What we need is a long-term solution. President Obama promoted a similar plan in his budget proposal, but many Democrats protested the measure for what they say is a potential for the government to profit from the loans.
If rates do increase, the bad news for students could become a revenue booster for government. The higher interest rates would generate $36 billion in revenue this year.
A compromise that would have seen slightly higher rates looked to be within reach last week, but it didn't receive enough support from Democrats. They promoted extending current rates another year and to bring them back up in higher education debates over the rest of the session. So should students start panicking yet? The estimated additional cost to the average student, according to a congressional committee, would be about $2,600 each year. Lawmakers say they will revisit the issue after coming back from their July 4th recess, and a deal that would readjust the rates retroactively could still be an option. More than 37 million people in the U.S. hold outstanding student loans. For Newsium, Zach Toombs.